We got a hiccup. Why should we break up? My brothers and sisters, there's no need to fight. Let's just see if I can help solve this problem. Men grew up differently, and women grew up the same way. So let's just brainstorm, and we'll be okay. We got a hiccup. Why should we break up?
Hello everybody, welcome to Hiccup Breakup, and on today's episode of Hiccup Breakup we are going to discuss how you can get your man to become a better listener. When it comes to communication, you should never expect your partner to guess what you're thinking despite how long y'all two have been together, because when you expect your man to stay guessing what you're thinking all because you have a low tolerance when it comes to talking, sometimes he'll do it to shut you up in an attempt to avoid small pointless arguments. So in order to have your man become a better listener, you must establish a positive communication connection where the point you're trying to address can be heard and understood every single time. If you attempt to call him out his name, post y'all business on social media, below by saying you never do this, you always do that, you're belittling his efforts when he attempts to try and do better. But if you're always speaking in a way where you undermine his efforts when he would listen to bits and pieces of what you're saying. Here's an example. Say something such as, "Honey, can I please talk to you about something? It would talk to my girls, but I rather talk to my best friend first." And be respectful of his time on whether or not he's busy or not. Showing patience shows a positive side of your character. However, being impatient, demanding his attention with your tone, attitude, or emotional drain anger will not give you the good listener that you want. Another thing you would want to remember is, you have to ask yourself, whenever I'm upset, emotional, angry, annoyed, or irritated, am I a good listener to him? And you have to be honest with yourself. In order for your man to become a better listener, sometimes you have to look at the topic of what you want him to know, and make that the focus of your conversation, so he'll have a better understanding of what you're trying to tell him instead of using your emotions to expect him to read your mind.
What a delightful scoundrel.
Why should we care? We may not have a dime